I used to work at Walmart, guys. Working at Walmart sucks. My manager was so dope. Other managers there that were just like lying on me and stuff on me that I didn't do. It was just bad vibes. And then I worked with this one guy who couldn't stop gossiping about literally everybody. How do you have the energy for this, man? I seen him, oh my god, those back pops. Ah! Like, I seen him at a different Walmart because he switched stores or whatever. He goes, but this I do remember him saying, he's like, at least I got something to look at with all this or whatever. I was like, oh my god, bro. Misogyny, I guess. I don't know if that is misogyny. I don't know what is and what's not misogyny, but I feel like certain misogyny is just so weird for me, man. But like, certain misogyny is just hilarious. Yeah, so stuff like that, like, oh, look at that girl. That's not funny to me. But, oh, why is she here and not making a sandwich? That's funny. I don't, you know what I mean? Okay, that wasn't that funny, but I hope you guys kind of get what I mean. I just rode every single day on my first ever motorcycle that I got, which was a CB 250, 1997.